How to remove a workspace permission from Claude Code CLI. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can remove a workspace permission that you have provided to your Claude Code CLI. So to do this, the steps are fairly very easy. All you will need to do is simply follow the easy steps. So after launching in your Claude Code CLI, simply type in the command that is a / and then you're going to type in permissions. Now once you have typed in permissions, simply hit the enter button and you will see the following interface. Now in this interface, you're going to need to navigate to workspace so that all of your workspace permissions can be displayed. Now as you can see right here, I have these two particular workspace permissions. The first one is for ddev and the second one is for dprogram files. So now I cannot remove the ddev because it is the original working directory, but I can do remove the dprogram files as I have added it later. So in order to remove this particular workspace permission, I'm going to simply click enter over here, and from here it will give me this question which says Claude Code will no longer have access to files in this directory. If you wish to continue, you can simply press enter over the yes option, and now you can see that the permission has been removed from the workspace permissions. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.